Managing events requires precision, organization, and the right tools to keep everything running smoothly. From venue bookings to invoicing and client communication, event managers face multiple challenges in ensuring successful events. Without a centralized system, it's easy to run into scheduling conflicts, payment delays, and miscommunication with clients or team members. Perfect Venue is an all in one event management software designed to handle these challenges efficiently. Whether you run a hotel, banquet hall, or event planning business, these platforms provide seamless tools for scheduling, client management, invoicing, and reporting. Perfect Venue is built to automate repetitive tasks, improve collaboration, and enhance customer experiences, all in one easy to use system. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at its key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for event professionals looking to streamline their operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the smart booking system. Keeping track of multiple bookings across different clients and venues can be overwhelming. Perfect Venue provides a real time availability calendar that prevents double bookings, making it easy to schedule and confirm events. This feature saves time, reduces scheduling conflicts, and ensures smooth event planning. Another key feature is its customizable proposals and contracts. Speeding up the contract and proposal process is crucial for securing more bookings. Perfect Venue allows users to create, customize, and send professional looking proposals with built in e signature support. Clients can review and sign contracts online, ensuring faster approvals. This feature helps event professionals close deals quickly and efficiently. Another key feature is the integrated CRM for client management. Managing client relationships is key to growing an event business. The built in customer relationship management tool stores client data, tracks all interactions, and automates follow ups. Businesses can access client preferences, booking history, and communication logs in one place. This enhances customer service, builds loyalty, and increases repeat bookings. Another key feature is the automated invoicing and payments. Financial management is often one of the most time consuming aspects of event planning. With Perfect Venue, users can generate and send invoices instantly while also accepting online payments through integrated payment gateways. The system automatically tracks payments, reducing errors and improving cash flow. This feature simplifies financial transactions and ensures timely payments without manual effort. Another key feature is its task and team collaboration tools. A successful event requires seamless coordination between team members. Perfect Venue includes task management and team collaboration tools that allow users to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Team members receive automated reminders, ensuring everyone stays aligned. This enhances communication, improves productivity, and reduces last minute errors. Another key feature is its detailed reporting and analytics. Making informed business decisions require accurate insights. Perfect Venue provides customizable reports on revenue, client behavior, and event performance. Users can analyze trends, measure profitability, and optimize their business strategies. This feature helps event professionals make data driven decisions for long term growth. And another key feature is its seamless integrations with other tools. No business operates in isolation, which is why Perfect Venue supports integration with platforms like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and email marketing tools. This reduces the need for manual data entry, ensuring all essential business applications work together smoothly. This feature enhances productivity and streamlines operation across different platforms. So, why is Perfect Venue a great choice? Perfect Venue stands out as a comprehensive event management solution designed for venues, event planners, and hospitality businesses. The platform eliminates the hassle of managing events manually by automating key processes like bookings, invoicing, and client follow ups. Its ability to generate professional contracts and proposals ensures that businesses secure bookings faster while maintaining a polished and professional image. Additionally, its powerful reporting and analytics tools help businesses track performance and optimize strategies. Finally, Perfect Venue's integration with popular business tools enhances its usability. This level of automation and efficiency makes it an ideal choice for event professionals looking to scale their operations effortlessly. So basically, Perfect Venue is a powerful and user friendly event management software that simplifies booking, invoicing, team collaboration, and reporting. So it ensures that event professionals can manage their businesses more effectively while delivering outstanding client experiences. So whether you're a venue owner, an event planner, or a hospitality business, Perfect Venue offers all the essential tools needed to streamline event operations. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.